Hey there, everybody. I got a package today. I cashed in my Essential Rewards. So everything in my box I'm getting for free. So that's going to be awesome. So let's take a look to see what I got here. All right, so here's my box I got in. Pull out everything that I got in here. Let's put everything up here. Wow. This is all stuff that I need. This toothpaste is going out of stock, so I was stocking up on it. So anyway, I got 3 tubes of toothpaste. I got some shampoo. I got some mouthwash. Some dishwashing liquid, some Thieves cleaner, some household cleaner. I got, this is laundry detergent. So I got 3 bottles, and let me see what I have in here. I got some oils. There's a few of them in there. All right, that one. And what do I have in here? All right, so I got some lemon. I got some Purification. Got some Peppermint, some Lavender, some Citrus Fresh, and some Thieves. So that's a pretty good haul. And shoot, and this too. So all that stuff. This is like I cashed in my Essential Rewards order, or Essential Rewards points. So this is like over close to $300 worth of stuff here that I got all for free. I just cashed it in. So this is the way to use your points. Buy stuff that you need, that you use. This is all stuff that I use all the time. So anyway, I just wanted to show like the benefit of using Essential Rewards. So that it is for today. Have a great day. Bye.